Zimbabwe's army stops Hetfield golf course housing a deal tightened to Mnangagwa's ally and Zvigananda. Muri Zimbabwe hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Zvigananda zvomiswa mushure mekunge zvanga zvoda kuenda kunotora nzvimbo yeHatfield golf course apo vachiisa mastendi mashoma ari kurakidza kuti ndezvigananda. Kusangana kwatinoita pano paYouTube channel yenyu Magaba News, patinobata nhau dzinenge dzichiitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe, tichingokurudzirana kana uri mutsva, kindly support us by hitting the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell so that patinoposta nhau idzi unova uri wekutanga kusangana nenews dzatinenge taisa pana paYouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News. Zuva ranhasi tauya takabata maererano nechiitiko chiri kuziviswa pamusoro penzvimbo yegolf course kuHatfield, apo pakaziviswa nezuro pachitenderedzwa nhau yepanzvimbo apa chinzi ipo hurumende yaproposa kuti paitwe chiitiko chekuitwa chekunzi rezone part of Hatfield golf course. Mushure mekunge pachinzi pada kungoiswa 17 residential stands anenge akamezhwa 2000 square meters pastand yega yega, zvakaita kuti veruzhinji vagorambe vachiti zvinhu izvi ndezvekubenefita zvigananda zveZANU-PF vari pedyo pavaMnangagwa ndivo vaakuenda kunogoverana vachiva nzvimbo iri ikoko. So pasina nguva manheru acho musi wa 13 May 2026 kwakauya vekuZimbabwe Defence Forces vachitaura ivo vachiti golf course iyi ndeyavo, vachiti ivo vakaitora vachiipiwa kuti vaitire zvinhu zvavo zvemauto, zvaita kuti zvigovharira kunze vanova vanga vachida kutora nzvimbo iyi vachiisa 17 mastands, zvasiya zvigananda zvakagara kunze mushure mekunge pauto ati nzvimbo iyi zviri kutozivikanwa nevemutemo kuti ndeyedu. Vanhu vakati no one owns the land but the state owns the land. Vamwe vakati it's okay because it's not the majority who will benefit from it, only to top people. ndo mashoko everuzhinji vachiti aiwa zvaitwa nemauto zviri right, cause achiitiko ichi nzvimbo iyi yanga ichangobenefita vanhu vashoma isingabenefite ruzhinji rwenyika yeZimbabwe. So according to news maererano nekublokwa kwaitwa nemauto zviri kuziviswa chinzi blocks Hatfield golf course house plan SZDF takes control of land. The Zimbabwe Defence Forces has moved to stop plans to turn Falcon golf course in Hatfield, Harare, into a residential suburb after officially gazetting the property as a military cantonment area. According to official documents, the land is now under the control of the Air Force of Zimbabwe following the passing of statutory instrument 28 of 2026 under section 87 of the Defence Act. This decision effectively override a recent proposal by the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works to convert the area into residential housing stand. The proposed housing project at the MD2 create 17 low-density residential stands on the remaining extension of lot 227 Hatfield Township residents. He had even been invited to submit objection or comment with 30 days as part of the rezoning process. However, the military said the property had already been reclaimed and designated for defense purposes long before the housing proposed gained momentum. In a letter dated April 29, 2026, Air Vice Marshal Chingono confirmed that the Ministry of Defense has already started land use and planning procedures related to the property. The correspondent stated that after ministerial approval was granted for the reclamation of 4 golf courses to the Air Force of Zimbabwe. The Minister of Defense proceeded to gazette the land as a defense cantonment area. The means the land is now legally protected under military jurisdiction. The Air Force also clarified that it's never applied for permission to convert the land into a residential estate. Instead, officially stressed that the property would be reserved for military-related purposes. Although the exact intended use has not yet been made public, authorities say more details regarding the future plans for the land could be disclosed at a later stage. Document further reveal that the process to reclaim the golf course has started as far back as July 2025. At the time, the Air Force approached the Ministry of Local Government and requesting assistance in remapping the golf course and correcting the land tenure records connected to the property. The move appears to have been part of a broader effort to regularize ownership and strengthen military control over strategic land in the area. In October 2025, the Minister of Local Government reportedly approved the request. Senior Minister officially Sai confirmed that the authority were working to identify gaps in the property documentation and assisting in finalizing the administrative process. As planning continues, the Air Force team is expected to work closely with the Department of Roads and the Civil Aviation Authority, Zimbabwe, commonly known as CAAZ. This cooperation has raised speculation that the land may eventually be linked to aviation, transport, infrastructure, or another security-related project because of its strategic location near important transport routes and aviation facilities in Harare. The development has also sparked the debate among residents and urban planners, especially after hopes had emerged that the land could help ease housing demanding in the capital city. Harare continues to face pressure from rapid urban expansion, raising housing demand and the shortage of service residential since some residents have viewed the proposed Hetfield development as an opportunity to increase accommodation options in the area. So mureZimbabwe ndo nhau iri kutaurika, ndo nhau yaitika kuHetfield uko kwanga wada kutorwa nezvigananda, asi pari kunzi zvigananda zvakandorwa kunze zvikanzi aiwa iye nzvimbo yanga yakatorwa nemauto kubva last year yachemerwa nemauto, kurakidza kuti vanhu havana kuti kufara nazvo kuti pari kungoiswa 17 mastands ende akamezeranwa kuti stand yega yega inenge yakakura 2000 square meters. Vanhu vakati no, hazvisiri izvo. Mauto akauya akati inzvimbo yedu, mauto akati tiri kuziva zvatoda kuishandisa. What's your take on this issue? What's your take on this news? This is the news that takabata pano pa YouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News.